We might not hear much about the artificial intelligence going on in China at the moment in our media, but the thing is that there is a gold rush going on in China at the moment. Developers in China are rushing to cash in on this AI mania. Recently, United States Commerce Department restricted the sale of high-performance AI chips, including NVIDIA's A100 and H100 GPUs in China. There are some loopholes which Chinese developers are exploiting to still get their access to these chips, but there has been a huge impact. That is why these Chinese LLMs, which are coming almost every week, they are not only open source, but they are also very lightweight. Let's have a quick look at which ones are the most prominent LLMs which has come so far in the public. The first one of note is Quen 7b and Quen 7b chat from Alibaba. I also created another video where I showed you how to install Quen 7b step by step. These both models are freely available to small scale users, but organizations with more than 100 million monthly active users require a commercial license. Then we have this Baishuan 13b and 13b chat. Baishuan Intelligent Technology, which is a firm owned by Wang, founder of search engine Sugo, which is now owned by Tencent, has released these two models. These models are freely available to academic users, but the commercial users require a license. Then the famous Beijing Academy of AI has revealed its open source WuDao 3 model family, and this was introduced to IEEE Spectrum. This family includes Aquilia Chat 7b and Aquilia Chat 33 billion, and both are fine-tuned for conversation. They also have released Aquilia Code, which is fine-tuned to generate code from NLP. And then we have WuDao Vision, which is for computer vision. The thing is that all of these models are trained on Chinese corpora, and they will only serve speakers of Chinese languages far better. You may be able to translate them into English, but I'm not sure. I haven't tried it, and I haven't seen any clue if anyone has tried it out there. But still, these open source models, fine tuned for Chinese users, likely will play a very crucial role in the Chinese LLM market. If you know any of other Chinese LLM which I have missed, please put it in the comments. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.